Hi, in this video I'm gonna introduce three tools for game developers, so stick around until the end. Game development requires a wide range of tools, from 3D modeling and texturing to sound design and animation. While game engines like Unity, Unreal, and Godot often get a spotlight, the ecosystem of free and open source tools that support the game development pipeline is equally impressive. I will introduce some tools like, for example, audio and sound design tool, 3D modeling and animation and texturing tools for game developers. I don't cover the game engines. I explained about game engines in detail in the video here that you can watch, and also the link is in the description. The first field I want to cover is 3D modeling and animation. The best free software is Blender. Blender is the king of free 3D tools. It supports modeling, sculpting, UV mapping, rigging, animation, and even basic video editing. Blender is widely used in both indie and professional game development pipelines. The key features are non-destructive modeling, also advanced rigging tools, and it provides Grease Pencil for 2D and 3D hybrid animation. And it has two render engines, Eevee and Cycles, which Eevee is a real-time rendering engine and Cycles is an offline rendering engine. The next tool I want to introduce is Make Human and also MB Lab. For realistic character creation, Make Human or the MB Lab plugin for Blender is excellent. These tools let you create human models that are game ready with customizable features and rigging. You can find the links of all of the tools I've introduced in the description. The next field is 2D art and texturing. The first tool is Krita. Krita is a professional grade digital painting tool. It's ideal for concept art, 2D sprites, textures, and even frame-by-frame animations. The next tool is GIMP. While less tailored for painting, GIMP is powerful for editing images, textures, and UI assets. It's often considered the free alternative to Photoshop. The next tool is Pascal. Pascal is a lightweight tool for creating pixel art and animation, perfect for retro-style games. The next field I'm gonna cover is sound design and music. The next tool is Audacity. Audacity is a free and open source audio editor that's widely used for editing and recording sound effects, voiceovers, and music. The next tool is LMMS or Linux Multimedia Studio. This tool is a digital audio workstation for composing music using samples, MIDI or MIDI, and instruments. It supports VST plugins and is great for chiptunes or orchestral compositions. The next tool is Cakewalk. If you are on Windows, Cakewalk offers a full features DAW or DAW experience for free. It's excellent for music scoring, mixing, and sound production. The next field is texturing and material creation. The first tool is Quixel Mixer. It allows for the creation of procedural materials and hand-painted textures. While it integrates best with Unreal Engine, you can export textures for any engine or pipeline. The next tool is Material Maker. Material Maker is a free and open source tool similar to Substance Designer. It uses a node-based workflow to generate PBR materials. Let's introduce other tools. For example, FontForge. FontForge is an open source font editor. You can use it to create or modify bitmap or vector fonts for UI and in-game text. The next tool is Tilemap Editor. It's a level editor for 2D games supporting tile-based and object-layered map systems. It works well with many engines. And the last tool is Keni Tools and Assets. Keni provides free 2D and 3D and audio asset packs along with tools like Asset Forge for quickly designing 3D models using prefab parts. There's never been a better time to be a game developer on a budget, whether you are crafting visuals, designing sounds, or building immersive worlds. These free tools for game developers empower creativity without the need for expensive software license. Many of the tools introduced are open source, regularly updated and supported by passionate community. By integrating them into your workflow, you can build high quality games without spending a dime of production software, leaving more room in your budget for marketing, publishing, or custom assets. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.